The universe is everything that exists, all matter, all energy, and all the space between things, and even all of time. It includes things that you can see and many, many more things that you can't. The universe is so big that we don't even know for sure how big it is. One question you may be asking yourself is how the whole thing got started. Where did the universe come from? Well, scientists learn more about the universe every day. The new discoveries they make help form ideas or theories about the universe. A theory is an explanation about something or a reason for something. Scientific theories are not just guesses, they are explanations based on evidence or information that scientists get by making observations and taking measurements. Frequently, there are several different theories that seek to explain the same phenomenon. So scientists gather new data to help select between these theories. They share this data and study it to look for patterns and answer their questions. Today, there is a common theory about how the universe first developed called the Big Bang Theory. It is a theory that is well tested and widely accepted by many scientists, but not by everyone. The Big Bang Theory seeks to explain how the universe may have come to be, and it begins with a tiny speck. According to the Big Bang Theory, before the universe was the way it is today, it was believed to be very different. There were no billions of galaxies, there was no Milky Way, there were no stars at all, no sun, no solar system, no planets, no Earth, no moons, no asteroids, no comets. There may not have been even time or space. All of the ingredients to make everything we see today were there. They were just in a very different form. It's hard to imagine, but the Big Bang Theory traces the universe back to a point where all of what we can now see in the universe was compressed into a teeny tiny speck. This speck was jam-packed full of, well, everything. It was unbelievably dense and crowded. This speck was also super hot, hotter than anything on Earth, hotter than the sun. Around 14 billion years ago, something amazing happened to all that compressed stuff. Kaboom! A bursting forth, a moving outward, a rapid unfolding. It's been called many things by many people, but this amazing thing that happened is believed to be the Big Bang, the birth of the universe. It was hot, and it was sudden, and it was powerful. In a fraction of a second, space that had not been there before was suddenly everywhere all at once. Tiny new particles formed and began crashing into each other, creating energy and eventually joining to form larger bits of matter. The universe kept expanding and expanding, all of its matter spreading out as the universe kept getting larger. And as the universe expanded, it began cooling down a little bit at a time. According to this theory, the newborn universe was nothing like it looks now, an estimated 14 billion years later. Back then, there were no stars yet, and there wouldn't be for the first 100 million years after the Big Bang. The universe kept expanding and cooling. Substances kept crashing into each other, and brand new bits of matter were formed. Eventually, new gases formed. As these gases began to cool, they collapsed because of gravity and formed the first stars. The universe kept expanding and stretching, and more stars were born. Then, galaxies formed. About 9 billion years ago after the Big Bang, our sun and solar system were born when gases collapsed in on themselves and formed our sun. That was believed to be a little over 4.5 billion years ago, but the expansion of the universe and the creation of new stars still goes on today.